Good day, everyone. We are the team of organ-on-chips. This is a new generation of drug screening system. By using 3D cell culture and the microfluidic system, I am Professor Li. I work at Taipei Medical University and the Hospital of Shuanghe. Here is a surge of need in organ-on-a-chip device because of its capability in rapid analyzing of biomedical, metabolic, and genetic phenotypes ex vivo. Nowadays, the need increased in demanding for organ-on-a-chip in drug screening, especially in personalized health care. Take lung as an example. Lung on a chip is to build up the key function ex vivo. It was reconstituted and reorganized as the pattern of lung tissue. What is important of lung on a chip is that this environment resembles the cell-cell interaction and the three-dimensional structure. The traditional 2D in vitro study is not comparable to the environment presented by organ on a chip. Cancer is still the leading cause of death, although there are options of treatment including targeted therapy, immunotherapy, and the traditional chemotherapy. Regardless of the treatments, there is a high chance of resistance, high chance of recurrence after therapy. After recurrence, patient is weak from previous treatment, and the drug resistance generated from the diversity of gene mutation made it difficult to find a suitable treatment. Patient needs to go through a phase of therapeutic trial to find out the best combination of medications. Therefore, here is a clear unmet need. We need a platform to do the therapeutic trial for the patients. Besides, by using this platform, the effect from combo treatment can be quantified and qualified. Finally, here we are. How can we help? After treatment fails, we will take biopsy and draw blood from patients to reconstitute on lung on mini-lab. The medications will be tested on the mini-lab to see what is the best combinations. The efficacy and the specificity of combo will be analyzed by fluorescent signals with artificial intelligence. The outcome will summarize as a report, which is an indication of optimal treatment. So far, we have set up a standard operational procedure of collecting patient sample. We can isolate specific cells within 3 hours, no matter cancer cell or immune cells. Then, the cell will be injected into the chambers of lung on mini-lab. Red chamber is for cancer cells. Blue belt is for immune cells. Now, Professor Liu will introduce the chip into the detail. Welcome, Professor Liu.
Here is our star version of organ-led chip. What are essential features? First is 3D tissue reconstruction mimicking organ function on chip. Second is the microchannel, allowing combo medicine treatment with multiple drug concentration and volume down to nanoscale. Lung on mini-lab chip is a technique involving engineering, neuroscience, and for personalized healthcare. The chip is composed of multi-layer material micromachined by using semiconductor fabrication technique. By using electrical induced force, the cancer cell and the immune cell are guiding into the desired on-chip chamber to form a 3D tissue function. The green immune cell will invade a red-colored lung cancer cell, responding to different concentration of immune therapy medicine. The lung on mini-lab target at applying to assist diagnosis and prognosis. The following, I will ask our partner, Dr.孙伟伦, to introduce. And basically, Dr.孙伟伦 will be the key person for running our new company.
A good team will lead to success. Professor Li is the leader of this project. He is an expert in immunotherapy and lung diseases. Professor Liu is the soul of this project. He designed the microfluidic devices with his research team in National Tsinghua University. He is the expert in organ-on-chip internationally wide. I'm the CEO, I'm Dr. Sam. I'm organizing the project and managing in getting funding. Professor He will be in charge of personnel training and clinical trial planning. Dr. Chen will be the product manager. She is experienced in design and the application of organ-on-chip. Drug development and drug screening is a long and expensive procedure. The organ-on-chip may speed up this procedure because organ-on-chip can analyze the biochemistry, biometallic, and gene phenotype. Thanks to the translucent design, we can observe the effect from the small compound easily. The need of organ-on-chip has been increased rapidly since 2020 because of COVID-19. The first organ-on-chip company, Emulate, signed an agreement with FDA to test and evaluate the immune response from COVID-19. Additionally, the safety of drug and efficiency. This step will definitely accelerate introducing organ-on-chip into the market. The market size is expected around 41 million this year. In 2026, it will be 360 million. The CAGR is around 40%. The competition in the market, one is the first organ-on-chip company, Emulate, in the United States. The other one is the Minites, organoplate, based in Europe. Our business plan so far comes to the beginning of phase 1 clinical trial study. We sent the application of patent in Taiwan, China, and the United States. Later in this year, we will work on the registration of medical device in the Taiwanese FDA. So we make a good plan for the coming 5 years. And I will not bother you by reading the details. We plan to start up the company in the end of next year. Then we will run the business in LDT service. Hopefully, we will help the patient as much as possible and, of course, as soon as possible. And thank you for your attention. Please contact us if you are interested in joining the investors and the ventures.